Welcome to Canva Tricks. I will show you how to transform this photo into an anime photo using only Canva in just a few seconds. Let's make our picture into anime. First of all, I can choose any size by clicking on Create a Design. And bingo! I have this presentation-sized blank whiteboard. Go to Uploads and choose any image you want to use. Now I will choose Image by clicking on the image. After that, go to the Apps section in Canva. Search for Animeify in the Apps section. Click on this option, and then click on Animeify and replace. It takes a few seconds, and your image becomes anime. Bingo, just like that. It is amazing and so beautiful. Here are the results, my viewers. Look at the before photo, and now look at the after photo. I will make other photos animated as well. Just choose Animeify and replace and boom, like that, you can easily turn any image into anime form. And download the pictures by going to the share options and selecting download in JPG format. If you like this Canva trick video, then please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.